Okay, so just driving along in the 2006 Jetta TDI. It's got the DSG in it. Just changed new mass flywheel, about 7,000 clicks, and it's making this noise now. So I'm in neutral. We're gonna put it in gear. You can kind of hear it's. I want to say it's like the actual clutch itself. It seems to make a lot of noise when it first engages, like when it's slipping a lot. Put the handbrake on. You can see it's really shuddering a lot. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Taking off here. See, it's good once you're going, and it doesn't make the usual DSG style rattle where it's
Road, Ottawa 32 west toward Laser Street.
Sorry.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Antares Drive. Turn left onto Antares Drive, then turn left onto Warriga Drive.
Okay, so I think you guys get the point. It's just that when you're idling in gear and it first engages that clutch, it seems to make a lot of shuddering and
turn
whatnot.
Left onto
Shut
Drive.
up, GPS. But yeah, so anyways, here's the video, and hopefully this noise isn't something too bad.